Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm very sure that there are many crab lovers out there, and today's video is going to be all about how to clean crabs. But before that, please help me to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Everyone has their own style and ways of cleaning the crab. My style of cleaning depends on the recipe that I'm going to cook later on. Well, let's take a look at the crab's anatomy. Don't worry, it's just going to be those important parts that you need to take note of. We are going to start off with snapping off its claws. Be careful of those sharp thorns. Do the same for the other side, and you might want to use a glove if you feel uncomfortable doing this by your bare hands. Next, let's move on to the swimming legs. You can also call it a pedal fin. It can be quite a struggle, but don't worry, just use a little force and it should detach by itself. The next target will be the second, third and fourth leg. Do the same, apply a little force and it should get detached. The reason why I'm cleaning my crab this way is because I'm planning to cook crab curry later on. And by snapping off all the legs from its body, it allows the curry to seep into the crab, thus making the flesh juicier. So now we are left with the body. At the back, you will see a flap. Just lift it up. Use your left thumb to hold onto the body and your right thumb to lift up the shell. So those are gills, intestines, stomach, anything and everything of a crab that needs to be discarded. It is quite difficult to remove those gooey part by hand, but don't worry, you will be able to clean it off while washing it later on. Well, shall we recall the steps one more time? First, snap off the claws, then the swimming legs, and then the second, third and fourth legs. Lift up the pocket, use your left and right thumb to pull open the shell and discard everything inside. That's all! important process, so don't rush, take your time. Use your thumb to give a good massage to the crab so that it removes unwanted dirt from the shell. Do the same to its claws, swimming legs, and all the other legs. Be careful of its sharp thorns. You might want to consider using a mini brush for this process. I usually do this step to remove fishy odor effectively from any seafood that I'm cooking. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt into water and drop in all the crabs that you have just cleaned. Mix them well for about 5 minutes. Be careful of your hands. Take them off, drain them, and give them a final wash. So, this is how you clean a crab. Hope you enjoyed learning something from this video, and catch you at my next video, crab curry.